Hello, in front of me I've got SHARK ChillPill. In this video I'll show you how to replace water pads. Inside the missing pod we can find this pad that absorbs water, and thanks to it we can have mist. In order to replace it, open the pad cover, use something to remove it, and then from the original box select new and install it back. Remember that before installing it here, make sure it's completely dry. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.